not only did I leave the virtual simulations because they did not have that lab experience, but they were coupled with challenges. And most likely, what I'm referring to here are technological challenges. So it was key for me to rely on a platform that's user-friendly for my students, especially my older students who tend to have a little bit more difficulty with technology. Accessibility, as I mentioned before, being able to provide it to the range and the wide variety of students. And cost actually was an important thing when I was designing the kits, because students already pay a great amount on their textbook. So trying to eliminate any additional cost that's not needed was key. And last but not least, LMS integration. And what that means is being able to integrate the two platforms, the platform where the students are taking their labs, exploring the background information, completing their labs, and that's on Science Interactive's end, and the LMS that I am using, which in my case is Blackboard. Integration is key for quality matters, and we were able to achieve that to automatically transfer all the performed labs and the grades associated with those labs to Blackboard is very important.